Hello students, welcome to class 5th first day session. In our last point, we have discussed the name of various things, substance and what is made of it and what natural resource is used. Let us go forward today. We get everything from our environment. If we do not get all these things, then we would have to face many troubles. That is also true, friends. So we must protect our environment. We must use these natural resources judicially, especially air and water. Nowadays, human beings' biggest danger problem and questioning problem is pollution around us, water pollution, air pollution. People are suffering loss. So we should use the natural resources judicially. Then thing and substance is given. What are the natural resources given that we have to see? Milk we are getting from the animals, cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, camel. Iron we will get from the earth crust down to the earth. It is available. Rice we are getting from the agriculture land where rice is growing very fast. Water we will get from the rivers, lakes and water reservoirs, check dams, dams. Our Nagarpalika, Gram Panchayat, Municipal Corporation is supplying from the river sources. Clothes we will get from the cotton clothes. First cotton is prepared into the factories, then woven, colored, dyed and afterwards stitching is available in a different mode and then we are wearing. Oxygen we will get from the pure air. If there is a forest area, there the level of the oxygen is very high. We are living in city area, so pollutions, dust may be inside. So pure oxygen we may not get also. Petrol we will get from the crude oil. It is taken to the factory for distillation. After distillation, kerosene, petrol, diesel, crude oil, black carbon, so many things will be extracted and it is via transportation available to the petrol pump. We are filling and using it, but this is a limited resource. We have to use very sparingly. Then comes steam. Steam is a gaseous form of a water. When we boil the water, we are getting the steam. Our next topic is a reading point. Iron, rice, cloth are solid substance. Milk, water, petrol are liquid substance. Steam, oxygen, smoke, etc. are gaseous substance. So we have to classify the things into 3 points: solid, liquid and gaseous. These are the very important points to remember: solid, liquid and gas. Preserve and protect every tree for the glorious future of our country. Many a times, Grow More Tree campaign is going on in our country as our country's temperature is rising higher and higher. Earth and water need protections for the prosperous growth of any nation. In many foreign countries, cutting down tree is a crime. It is a forest area. If you cut down a tree, you need special permission from the government authorities to cut down trees. This is the main important thing, that a country can be prosperous by making and growing more forest area, more and more. Human beings should grow more trees to complete their needs. But nowadays the pollution level is very increased because of the cutting down of the trees. Before 10 years, Moba was very prosperous and green about with the coconut trees. Friends, now you can see that coconut trees are slowly vanished from Mova's atmosphere and the temperature is rising higher and higher. In our next session, how much you have learnt, that we will discuss it and continuing our revision session for unit test number 4 soon. Thank you friends. Read well, write well.